Hello friends, today in our video we are going to look at how to disable Magento's password expiration. Magento by default forces you to change your password every 90 days, and this 90 days value is set by default when you have installed your Magento 2. While it is a great security feature and it is a recommended practice to change your passwords once in a while in order to keep your admin panels secure. Sometimes it is kind of annoying, especially for developers while they are trying to perform development activities. So, what I would suggest is to turn off the password expiration during the development environment and to enable it once the site is moved to production environment. So, in order to change disable the password expiration in Magento 2, navigate to admin panel, and once you're logged into the admin panel, go to stores configuration, and under the advanced tab, click on admin. Inside the security group, we have the password lifetime days. So here it is set to 90 by default, which means it will force you to change your passwords every 90 days. So if you remove this value and keep it as empty, then it will disable this feature. So Magento will not prompt you to change your password after 90 days. So in your development environment, you can set this value to empty, and during on your production environment, you can set your values 90 or to 30 so that your clients or your end user can change the passwords frequently, which is a recommended security practice. So that's all about disabling the password lifetime expiration. See you on next video. Thank you. Bye bye.